Hello again. I've got this lovely little all-brass Sta-Lok, made in England, padlock. Beautiful little thing. Now these open clockwise and anti-clockwise. So I thought I'd have a go at picking it in the opposite direction. And the bitting on the key, well, look at that, it's almost straight apart from pin 2. So it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But I don't know if any of you have ever picked a lock in the opposite way. We can get the tension tool to stay in there. Let's see if we can get it open this way. It's certainly different picking with your tension in the opposite direction. There we go. That's open. So let's see if we can pick it as easy going in the normal direction. Possibly, possibly not. There you go, yeah. So yeah, nothing too extreme. It's just different picking a lock in the opposite direction. But yeah, it's a shame it wasn't a bit more challenging. Like I say, the bitting on the key, it says it all really. But nevertheless, it's an all brass Sta-Lok, made in England. And it's another little baby to my collection. So as always, thanks for watching. And if you do like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon. Try it a bit.